Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can make your Threads app public. So maybe you made your Threads app in private mode and immediate you thought that you want to make it public. So how can you make it public? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So I brought the Threads app on my display on my home screen, so we need to go there. So I am gonna simply click on Threads app. So once I click there, then you'll get the home page of Threads app. Once you get there, then you can see on the bottom part on your screen. So this is the human icon. Okay, I'm just gonna click there. Once I click there, then you will get the option edit profile. On this one, edit profile. So I'm just going to click edit profile, and then you can see its private profile is turned on. So it's now a private. So you have to click here. Once you click here, then now it's a private profile. Okay, so this is really, once you click that, then you have to click again the top right corner on your screen. It's called done. So once you click done, then it changes, and now your account on public mode. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.